Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Today we will start working on our first grammar lesson, okay, on Unit 1, sentences. Alright? Okay, let's start. So last year we started talking about what a sentence is, okay? As we said before, a sentence is a group of words that tells you a complete thought. Okay, again, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete thought. A group of words that does not tell a complete thought is not a sentence. So for example, if I say here, my new puppy, okay, this is not a sentence because a sentence would tell you about someone or something. Here it just says my new puppy. It doesn't say anything about the new puppy. Okay, so remember that a sentence is a group of words that tells you a complete thought. It must have a subject and a predicate. Okay, a sentence names the person or thing you are talking about. So a sentence must tell you who is the sentence about or what the sentence is about. Okay, it also tells what happened. Example, my new puppy jumped out of the box. So this is a sentence. Why? It says my new puppy. What did the puppy do? It jumped out of the box. So my new puppy. Who is the sentence about? It's about a new puppy. And what did it do? It jumped out of the box. Okay? So we now understand what a sentence is and what's not a sentence. Okay? So on page 2 in language arts, we will open to page 2. It says here, tell if each group of words is a sentence. So we will read each group of words and we will see whether or not it's a sentence. Okay? So I answer number 1 for you. It says, we see 4 kittens. We see 4 kittens. Okay? This is a complete sentence. So I will write sentence. Let me just try to get out of the reading view. So okay, we will go back to page 2. All right, number 2, it says 2 little rabbits. 2 little rabbits. So it mentioned that this is about 2 little rabbits, but did it say what happened? No. So 2 little rabbits is not a sentence. Okay? You're right. With the red here, not a sentence. Okay. What about number 3? Let's go to number 3. My sister wants a turtle. My sister wants a turtle. Who is the sentence about? It's about my sister. What does it say about your sister? It says, my sister wants a turtle. That she wants a turtle. So this is a complete sentence. Just go back and write it with red. Okay? So, my sister wants a turtle. It's a sentence. Very good. Number 4, some goldfish. Some goldfish. Did it mention anything about the goldfish? It just said some goldfish. So this is not a sentence. Sorry. Okay. Okay, number 5. The snake is sleeping. The snake is sleeping. Okay, so the sentence, the group of words here mention that the snake and what it's doing, it's sleeping. So this is a sentence, right? Okay. Here I wrote the answers. Okay, I forgot that I wrote the answers. Okay, so now we're going to go to page 3, and it says underline. Part A says underline the complete sentence. Again, we will read each a group of words, and we will, if it's a sentence, we will underline. We will draw a line under the sentence, okay? If it's not, we will leave it. So number 6 says, the puppy licks my face. Number 6, the puppy licks my face. Okay, so it mentioned that the sentence is about a puppy. What did the puppy do? It licks my face. So this is a sentence. We will underline number 6 because it's a complete sentence. Number 7, Maria likes the kitten. Maria likes the kitten. Okay, number 7 is also a sentence because it tells you what Maria likes. So we will underline. Number 8, a loud quack, squawk. A loud squawk. Okay, so it only mentioned a loud squawk. Okay, that number 8 is not a sentence. We will leave the number 8 as it is. Number 9, inside the cage. Inside the cage. Again, it didn't say who or what is inside the cage. So this group of words is not a sentence. Okay? Number 10, Alex names the bird Tweet. Okay? Alex names the bird Tweet. Okay, it's this group of words mention that a boy named Alex named his bird Tweet. So this is a complete sentence. Okay? All right. Okay. Part B. It says add words to each group to make a complete sentence. Write the sentences. Okay? So here it gave you just a sentence fragment, just a part of a sentence. It did not give you a complete sentence. We will write our own sentences. We add more words so it can be a complete sentence. Of course, when you go back to your textbook, you can add your own answers, okay? But for example, I will be giving you just examples. Number 11, the white mice. The white mice. This is not a complete sentence, so I added the word the white mice are tiny. Okay. Number 12, the tan puppy. We can write the tan puppy. What should we say about the tan puppy? Jumps out of the box. Okay, so I added just a few words to make a complete sentence. Okay, I added a few words to make it a complete sentence. The tan puppy jumps out of the box. Okay, number 13, the hamster. The hamster. We can write the hamster is in the cage. Okay. The little kittens. The little kittens. You can add your own group of words to make it a complete sentence. Okay. The little kittens drink milk. The big dog. You can write the big dog barks. Okay? So remember, again, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells you a complete thought. Okay? It also tells you about the person or thing, and it tells you what happens, in a sense. If it's only a group of words that doesn't mention what happened or who the person is, then it's not a complete sentence. Okay? Okay, this is page 1 in the practice book, and it says we have in each one we have 2 group of words, and when you read them, we will find out which one is the sentence and which one is not. Okay, it says read each group of words, underline only the sentences. Okay, we will underline only the sentences. Number 1, it says the sun comes out. Number 1 says the sun comes out. And we have here fluffy clouds. The sun comes out, fluffy clouds. So I would say, okay, that the first group of words is the sentence because it tells you about the sun, that it came out. Here it just says fluffy clouds, so it's not a complete sentence. So we will underline the first group of words. Okay? Okay, number 2. Number 2 says, at home, we packed our things. Number 2, the first group of words says at home, and then it says we pack our things. The first group of words, it says at home. It didn't mention or say who is at home. But here it says we, you and somebody else, we pack our things. So this is the sentence. This is the complete sentence. We pack our things. Okay? Number 3. The first group of first group of words, it is a hot day. It is a hot day. The second group of words says big sandwiches. So which one here would be the complete sentence? The first group. It's telling you that today is a hot day. Okay? But the other group of words just says big sandwiches. It didn't mention anything else about the sandwiches. Okay? So we will underline the first group of words in number 3. Okay? Number 4. My sister, the pool is busy. My sister, the pool is busy. The first group of words in number 4, it just says my sister. It didn't say anything else or didn't tell me anything. What happened with my sister? But the second group of words says the pool is busy. So that means there's a lot of people by the pool. So this is the complete sentence, all right? Okay, number 5. The first group of words says in the water. The second group says the water is warm. So in the water, what's in the water? We don't know. It didn't say. The second group a group of words says the water is warm. It's telling you that the water here is warm. So this is the sentence. All right. Okay. Remember, a sentence tells you complete thought, tells you about who the sentence is about and what happens in the sentence. Okay? All right. Okay. The second part of page 1 in the practice book, it says here, read each group of words, write the one that is a sentence. Okay? But so we will read each group of words, and then we will see which one is the complete sentence, and then we will write it. Correct? Okay. Number 6, it says, my grandma. My grandma, and then it says, grandma sits in the shade. So here doesn't say what happened to grandma or what is grandma doing. Here, the second group of words says, grandma sits in the shade. So this is the sentence. So we'll be writing it here. Grandma sits in the shade. Right? Number 7, the children. The children. It also says she watches the children. Number 7, the children. She watches the children. What is the complete sentence? She watches the children. Okay, it's telling you that somebody is watching the children. All right, number 8. Number 8, grandma reads her book. My brother swims fast. Here we have 2. Here, grandma reads her book. My brother swims fast. Or maybe I wrote the wrong sentence. Okay, let me go back and check it. 1 minute. Okay, so I went back and checked the book. It says here, number 8, grandma reads her book and reads her book. Of course, the first group of words is a sentence because it tells you who is reading the book. So grandma reads her book. Right? Okay, number 9, it says my brother, and the second group of words says my brother swims fast. So number 9, my brother and my brother swims fast. Of course, the second group of words is the sentence because it tells you that my brother can swim fast. It tells you about who can swim fast. Okay, number 10, I wear goggles. Wear goggles. The first group of words is a complete sentence because it tells you about who. I. Okay? So that was our first grammar lesson. Okay, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells you an idea or a complete thought. Okay.